The first step is to open a YouTube video page on roladel.com. On this page, you will find various videos to watch. Check out one of these videos and play it on. The next step is to watch at least 30 seconds of the set video. The last step is to earn money. It is very easy. Let me show you these things. This is the list of payments made to the various people from various countries around the world, including Nigerians. They are being paid for every single YouTube video that they have watched. You can earn $621 monthly, which is equivalent to 258,255 naira just for watching YouTube videos. You can earn $3 for watching one YouTube video. It would increase to $30 for screening 10 videos. If you increase it more and you watch 50 videos per day, you can make $150. Wait! There is more. You can keep watching videos for as long as you want and you get paid for doing it. You can watch it from anywhere on the globe. The only thing you need is a working laptop, a computer, internet connection, and a subscription fee. In this video, I will give you samples on how to earn using YouTube. So stay tuned and do not exit this video. And reminder, before I share this YouTube hack, do not forget to like and subscribe to Roladel Business for more fantastic financial content like this. This channel is an online money-making machine, and here I will always teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online again. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification button to know more about when our future money-making contents are being updated. Lastly, let's make this video an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of this video. Let's now proceed with our video. I will tell you how you can make it happen in just 4 steps. Step 1. Click on the first link in the description below, scroll above and click on the sign up button. You'll be taken to a registration page where you will need to fill out your information. You don't need a lot of information. All you only need is to enter your first name here, last name, email address, username, then select your country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria. But if you're from other countries, go ahead and select your country. Now, here you need to enter your phone number, enter your password here, and accept the terms and conditions. After that, click submit here. Step 2. You will receive a confirmation email in your email account. In case you don't find the email in your inbox, check the spam folder. Confirm your account by entering the activation code here and you're ready to go. Step 3. Go back to Roladel and click on this login page to log in with your new email or username and your new password. Step 4. After logging in, go to this page that says watch videos and you will see a pop-up like this. Click on this button here to subscribe and start making money. After you subscribe on this page, you can watch any video you like just as you would watch on YouTube. You make money for each and every video that you watch, and all the money will be recorded on your dashboard while you withdraw straight to your bank account anytime you want. There are people doing this around the world and it is being streamed everywhere. Thus, you can really earn money from watching YouTube videos. Again, this is an online money machine channel, so do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Roladel Business channel to know more about how to make money online legitimately. We have already picked another video for you to watch next.